If you start poultry farming with 100 broiler chickens, how much money can you actually make? In this video, I will show you the real costs, the real profit, and whether broiler farming is worth it. Cost of chicks, 19 kwacha. Example, 100 chicks times 19 kwacha equals 1900 kwacha. Prices depend on hatchery. A broiler chicken consumes a total of approximately 4 kilograms to 5 kilograms of feed to reach a market weight of 2 kilograms to 2.5 kilograms at 6 weeks or 42 days. The total intake is distributed across 3 main types of feed. Starter phase, day 0 to 21, each bird consumes about 1 kilogram of high-protein starter feed. Grower phase, day 22 to 35, consumption increases to approximately 1.5 kilograms to 2 kilograms of grower feed. Finisher phase, day 36 to market, birds eat an additional 1.5 kilograms to 2 kilograms of high-energy finisher feed to maximize final weight. Total feed requirements for 100 broilers. For budgeting, a flock of 100 birds requires roughly 8 to 10 bags, 50 kilograms each, to reach 6 weeks. 0 to 3 weeks, 3 bags, 150 kilograms, of starter. For 6 and 8 weeks, 7 bags, 350 kilograms, for finisher, grower. Age at market, if birds are kept until 8 weeks, total consumption can rise to 7 kilograms to 7.5 kilograms per bird. Environmental temperature, birds eat more in cold weather to maintain body heat and less in hot weather. Feed cost? Starter, 690 kwacha per 50 kilograms bag. Grower, 660 kwacha per 50 kilograms bag. Finisher, 620 kwacha per 50 kilograms bag. Approximate feed cost, almost equal to 6,530 kwacha. Feed is usually 70% of production cost. Vaccines and medicine. Common vaccines. Newcastle, Gumboro. Cost example, almost equal to 750 kwacha. Other expenses or costs include transport, sawdust, water, electricity, charcoal. Example, almost equal to 650 kwacha. Total cost. Example calculation, chicks 1,900 kwacha. Feed 6,530 kwacha. Medicine 750 kwacha. Other costs 650 kwacha. Total almost equal to 9,830 kwacha. Revenue. Selling price example, 150 kwacha per chicken. 100 birds times 150 kwacha equals 15,000 kwacha. Profit. Revenue 15,000 kwacha. Cost 9,830 kwacha. Profit almost equal to 5,170 kwacha. Profit depends on mortality rate, feed price, market demand. Broiler farming can be very profitable if you manage feed costs, prevent diseases, and maintain good management. Subscribe to OHOD Mixed Agro Farm for practical poultry farming tips.